Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you some useful features from One UI 7 Android 15 updates and Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone and I have just installed the update. As you can see, One UI 7 and then Android 15. And then I'm going to show you guys the features that will be useful for your phone. Okay, the first one, you can enable vertical drawer on your Samsung Galaxy phone now. If you want to enable the vertical drawer on your app screen, you're going to click on these three dots right here, and then you're going to sort and select the alphabetical order. Okay, and after you select the alphabetical order, you will be able to draw vertically like this. And if you want to get back the horizontal drawer, just click on the three dots and you're going to select the custom order. Okay, and then the second one, now we can group our alarm. Wait, I'm going to open up my clock and you're going to click on those three dots and then you can go to the alarm groups and now you can group your alarm. For example, I'm going to set a morning alarm group. Okay, click on add and then I'm going to choose the alarm. Okay, I'm just going to set this one. I'm just going to set new alarm for my group. Okay, and now I'm going to go back. Okay, and the alarm group will appear right here. Okay, and if you want to delete it, just select the group and you're going to click on delete. Okay, and then the next one, guys, you have now bar. You can go to your setting and then you're going to go to the lock screen setting. It's right here, lock screen and AOD. And then now you have feature called now bar. And you can choose the live notifications for the now bar. And I'm going to click on see all. And this is for the preview. You can the live notification will appear on the lock screen on the status bar and at the top of the notification panel. Okay, it will be very useful to get the live notification and you can choose the notification you want to set here. Okay, and then the last feature I'm going to show you is called enlarge app group. Here I have an app group and you can enlarge it now. You can tap and hold on the group and you will see the enlarge here. Just tap on that to enlarge the group. Okay guys, and that's all the features from Samsung Galaxy phone update One UI 7 Android 15. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.